Smart boy. Don't even move an inch, or else I'll bring you down. The Queen Bee wants to see you now. Get into the car, fast. Move yourself. I gave specific instructions. Who the fuck are you to violate them?
Cleo. Why? Why did you kill that innocent girl?
That's the last question. Fuck. What? Cleo. How did you get in here? Wrong question. The question should have been, how do I want to die?